Do you play an instrument and you want to teach people online? Welcome back, guys. JRJMUSIC here. So this is Beyond the Tube, and on my music tutorial channel where I teach piano lessons, I recently released a video and I edited it on my phone. The first time ever doing that, and I just wanted to share with you what the screen looked like so you can see the layout of how I did it. So whether you teach piano or drums or guitar, you can use your phone. I use two different phones and capture two different angles, one of the instrument and one of my face. And then I mixed it together, put a background, cropped it all together, layered it. I want you to check it out. All right, guys, I wanted to real quickly just show you how I did a piano tutorial. So I had two cameras going, one on my face and one down on the keyboard. Now, if you actually look at this footage here at the very top of above my head, you can kind of see my phone. It's suspended by a mount that is holding the phone where it can get down. Now, I used a different app to crop the image. I actually had to flip the phone image so that the keyboard was turned the right direction, and I cropped it, custom cropped it where it was this long rectangle. This app here would not let me crop if it's a layer. It will let me crop the original, which is this gray background track. It'll let me crop that one. Only thing it will let me do with these layers is move them around and resize them. It won't let me crop them differently. So I had to crop it in a different app. No problem. I'm using the audio. So anytime you see this audio on the very bottom, it's in this purplish color. That is where I converted the piano track, one with the piano keyboard audio, just audio. So you're never hearing the audio from my face cam. I muted that, and what I did was I've got text to show you what I'm playing. And basically you can see where here you're seeing both images. You're seeing actually three images. The background plate right here. You're seeing the face and the piano. And then all of a sudden, if you scroll over, you're going to see here that right here I just zoomed in on my face only. But if you go down to the bottom, you'll see I'm using the audio from the other camera, so I can still have that same exact sound instead of two different sounds. Here there is no text, but it's the two other images. And all of a sudden text appears. No text here, then a different text. Different text keeps changing as I'm playing and I'm talking. All of a sudden here you should have the different audio, and that's where I'm just talking, and I'm not actually, all I'm doing is moving my hands a lot with the keyboard, and instead of getting distracted by that, I just zoom in on my face, and I get to the very end of this whole thing, and then it goes to the end screen, and I just actually for a moment cover up part of the end screen, but I can still have the end screen elements there while I'm saying, like I'll show you real quick. Change this to whatever key you want to sing it in. Till next time, God bless. So just for that moment, I'm saying, till next time, God bless, but I can already start my end screen elements up and possibly get a click through. Well, guys, I hope that inspires you and teaches you something that you can do to maybe make your videos more interesting. Maybe you have a channel. Leave a link below or comment of your channel. I'd love to check out your music channels and see what you're doing, the instruments and all that. Maybe we could collab one time. It'd be great. But I hope I inspired you with this video. Till next time, guys, God bless.